Welcome to this introduction session on CRM. CRM is our main system to manage every business opportunity that our entire organization has spotted. It basically consists of new and potential business, also of existing contracts that we have with clients. And it also is being used as a system to segment clients and to determine follow-up actions and agenda planning. One thing that needs to be mentioned is that the current view that you see in front of you will very likely differ from what you see, because we're currently in the process of changing vTiger CRM version. We're upgrading the system, which definitely means that new functionality and new layouts are very likely to be added. To that extent, don't worry that much about the screen. This introduction video will cover the basics of CRM, which will remain valid no matter which version of CRM we're using. To get things started, we currently use CRM on four levels. You have plenty of things that you can see here and on the tabs, but we currently use only the first four aspects of CRM. It's basically leads, potentials, accounts, and contacts. To give you a bit more insight in what these four levels are, let me first briefly explain what leads are. Leads are basically all business possibilities and opportunities that our entire organization has spotted. This could be a listing of a potential business opportunity that you read on a forum, something that was transferred through a friend, something that you got over a phone call or an email. The source really doesn't matter. It's basically a broad pool of business opportunities. That's the first and the most broad level. On the second level, you have the potentials. And potentials are, let's say, more concrete contract opportunities. Potentials can be linked to new clients. That being said, if a potential materializes, that it's the first time that this company works with us, so it's a potential to a new client, or it could also be a potential to an existing client. So basically, potentials are, let's say, contract opportunities, business opportunities that are already much more concrete. On the account level, you have two aspects, or two divisions actually. You have the potential accounts and you have the existing accounts. To make things a bit more complicated than it already is, existing accounts, that's easy. Those are existing clients that need to be managed. For potential accounts, those are leads, so let's say new companies that we have had a talk with and that are becoming more and more interesting and becoming more and more concrete. This means that when you have a lead, a new lead, for which you register a potential, being a potential contract, that this potential contract will be linked to a potential account. I will show you some examples at a later stage, which hopefully will make this a bit more clear. On the contact level, those are the individual people that are linked to the accounts, either to the potential accounts or to the existing accounts. So you have plenty of people, of contacts throughout an organization. The idea is that these are registered there, so we can easily access the contact data of the people involved in a certain company. That's the introduction for the four main levels. I'll get back to you in a bit. Okay, to continue, let's look more concretely in the leads tab, which basically consists of all potential companies that we could contact to discuss business. The main thing, or the first thing to do, is learning how you can add a lead, how you can add a potential business opportunity or a company with which we could do business. As you can see, it has a plus. When you hover over it, it says create a lead. It's quite straightforward. As you can see, there are plenty of fields that are indicated. the main idea is that you have the basic information filled out at this particular stage. You will want to add more information in the course of the follow-up of the lead, but in the beginning you really want to make sure that you don't invest too much time in adding information that then can be useless in the end. So yeah, last name, company, I think that's quite straightforward. What you also need to definitely have is the email of the contact person, if you have that, the website, and the phone. So